Your Northeast Bronco Nation badge came with one grill badge with 2 threaded posts on the back, 2 threaded posts, 2 washers, 2 nuts, and 2 of these cap washers. This should be enough to assemble and put it together. Now, I did not provide or did not drill out the center of the caps to fit over the posts, but you can do that with a 3/16 drill bit, and so like I did here, okay? Now, these caps are optional. Your grill's going to, installation is gonna vary depending on your situation. But if you have a Badlands grill, or if you have a Wild Track grill, or if you have a First Edition grill, this works fine, okay? But basically, on the back of the badge, you're going to have your post. So we'll screw those in. Okay, and there you go. So this is going to slide into your grill. Then on the back side will be your caps, like so. And those will squeeze against. Then you take your flat washers, you'll put those on. Then you'll take your nuts and thread those down to tighten. So the metal washer and the black cap is nice because you won't see it because it's a black color when you're looking through the grill. Okay, so for example, like this. And it won't, scratch anything. It's a bit softer. Now, you don't have to use this hardware. You can go down to Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store and get what will work for you, okay? So once you tighten all these down and you get it installed on your grill, you can put your grill back in. And then what I do is I recommend cutting these posts down because sometimes they could be too large or too long, and they could get in the way of things. I use a Dremel tool to kind of cut these off with a little metal cutoff wheel, but your mileage is gonna vary. If you can find something that'll cut these off. But basically, that's it. Some people use a larger washer, or if you look at Jenna from Philadelphia, she used a large plate that she got at Home Depot. But that's basically how it gets assembled. So anyways, good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.